Well, this is one of the big fried net. It's probably like 8 pounds. I'm on my Shimano majestic truck with Ultra. Actually, release them on the other side. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah, it's a big one. Look at the fucking big belly on the bitch. I want to get it back in the water. Actually, I'm going to put them on this other side. But Shimano majestic truck with Ultra, 4 pound. No, actually, it's a 12 pound Varivas line on the majestic. All right, I'm going to get it back in the water. That's it right there. I grab him by the gills. I'm actually releasing down here. It's pregnant. It's thing is huge. Look at that thing. I try to revive it. I gotta turn it around. Shit. There it goes. Jesus Christ, I had to step in his gut. At least I released it.